Hello sewing enthusiasts! I'm Thea and I'm one of the co-founders of Sister Mac Patterns. We are a family-based online shop for DIY sewing patterns, and we believe we all can create high fashion with a lot of creativity, a little bit of guidance and a lot of patience. So if you want to create a new staple for your wardrobe, we've got you covered because we created this little video series about the most technical parts of our style 68.4 jogger pants with zipper and tailored waistband. So grab your fabric and just dive into this video series. Whether you're an experienced seamstress or are just starting out, I hope that it really helps you.
There is an inner pocket pouch and an outer pocket pouch. The outer pocket pouch will be visible on the outside of the pocket opening. You may want to cut this from a piece of the main fabric or use a thin fabric covered with the main fabric where it will be visible. Here we are sewing together the thin and main fabric. Mark pocket opening on the right side of the fabric. Iron a 25 cm by 4 cm strip of iron on interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric along the pocket opening. Place piping strip right sides together, edges aligned on marked facing line, making sure the ends stick out evenly. Sew on piping. Cut between the marked sewing lines, 1.5 cm before the end, cut diagonally to the seam ends, creating a triangle, making sure to not cut the piping. Press the seam allowance outwards and press piping stripes over the seam allowance. Place the piping over the seam allowance. The piping width should now be 0.7 cm and cover the cut line exactly. You can press or baste the piping strips. Fold the triangles in towards the wrong side at the ends. Stitch along the seam. This way the piping strips get secured. Sew the inner pocket bag to the piping. Place outer pocket bag, covered with main fabric, over the inside pocket bag. Pin to the piping. Sew together, then serge the edges. Now finish the edges. Place the triangles on the inside of the pocket ends. and top stitch. Sew the pocket bags together. Cut the pocket pieces to one size using pinking shears and finish the edges with a zigzag stitch. On the right side of the pants, secure the pocket ends with a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying.
You enjoyed this video? Then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of how-to videos and like full tutorials for our patterns. And if you want to hunt for more styles, then go to sistermacpatterns.com, or you can also dive into our Instagram channel at sistermacpatterns. But now don't forget to watch the next video with the next technical part.